Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. Our goal is simple. Practice listening and discover new English words in a fun, easy way. When you listen, try not to translate word by word. Instead, focus on the meaning and rhythm. Over time, your brain will get used to the flow of English. This practice will help you speak more naturally, too. Ready to challenge your ears and grow your vocabulary? Let's go. Student life is often seen as free and easy. Unlike workers with fixed hours, we have a flexible timetable. This freedom can be both good and bad. It gives us choice, but also makes discipline harder. Some days are full of classes from morning till evening. Other days may have only one lecture, leaving long, empty hours. This free time is valuable, but often wasted. It disappears into games, social media, or sudden hangouts. Weekends are not for rest, but for fun and release. A student's week mixes study, deadlines, love, and laziness. This flexible routine creates a challenge for self-control. Without a boss or fixed rules, motivation must come from us. Freedom often leads to delay and procrastination. The temptation to push work later is strong. The result is a colorful but sometimes chaotic university life. We move between busy study and complete idleness. This is different from the working world. We are learning to manage time on our own. It is a hidden lesson of responsibility. This messy journey slowly shapes our adult life. Monday comes with a heavy feeling. It means the weekend is over and reality is back. Many students stay in bed too long. Some wake up late, run to class, or skip the first lesson. Others use the morning for part-time jobs. Some just spend it on their phones. Eating becomes irregular and unhealthy. Instant noodles and cheap food are common. The bad habit of sleeping late often continues all week. This sets a messy tone for the next days. This hard start comes from an unplanned weekend. Our body clock is confused from staying up too late. Motivation to begin is very low. We fight tiredness from the night before. We also fight our unwillingness to face schoolwork. Monday is about adjustment and often regret. We regret not starting homework earlier or staying out too late. This Monday struggle is something almost all students know. It is the first obstacle in a week full of both problems and chances. The morning may be for class or for more sleep. It depends on what we did the night before. Lunch is usually fast and social. Some eat in the canteen, others finish instant noodles in a rush. The afternoon may bring more lessons or group work, but many use this time for gaming or sitting in cafes. Evening, the best time for study, often turns into entertainment. Some do homework, but many play games until late. Deadlines are faced at the very last moment. This leads to hurried work, copying, or asking friends for help. This habit shows weak time management. The will to study is there, but often beaten by distraction. Entertainment feels better in the moment. Deadlines seem far until they are very close. Then, stress and panic arrive. The quality of work drops under this pressure. We know we should start early, but we delay. A typical day is a fight between duty and desire. It is a process of learning about self-control. From Monday to Friday, life is a mix of classes, part-time work, and deadlines. Assignments and exams pile up. Laziness often delays everything. Multitasking is normal. Study while chatting or watching series. The weekend is not real rest. It is often for social activities with friends, food, karaoke, coffee. Many students are also busy with love, dating, or even breakups. Others work extra jobs to earn money. The week has its own messy but predictable rhythm. This cycle is tiring but also exciting. There is always a chance for fun. The freedom allows sudden plans. But ignoring study has real results. The busy schedule can feel overwhelming. We switch between being students and young adults. This teaches us about balance. It is an important part of growing up. We learn to handle responsibility and fun together. The rhythm is fast, messy, and very typical of student life. After class, students rarely go home directly. We spend time at milk tea shops, cafes, or cheap bars. These places are important for relaxing and social life. Weekend nights are for parties, games, or karaoke. Some students, however, must study late for deadlines. Love also plays a big role in this time. There are long-distance loves, class romances, or secret crushes. Sometimes we think more about love than study. This period is full of energy and experiences, but also confusion. It is not just study, but learning to balance freedom and duty. This lively lifestyle is an important part of life. The freedom we have is both a gift and a challenge. We learn from mistakes, like wasting time. We feel the results of procrastination, but we also enjoy the sudden joy of friendship. We deal with the difficulties of young love. This chaotic week is a small version of bigger life lessons. It teaches us strength, flexibility, and time skills. The goal is to find a balance. We are not just students, we are learning how to live. Do not blame yourself if you cannot remember every single word. You are in the middle of a journey, and every step, even the wrong ones, has meaning. Making mistakes is not a reason for regret. It simply shows that you are learning. Everyone develops at a different speed, and what matters most is choosing a method that feels suitable for you. Some people like writing notes, others prefer listening again and again. Try both, or even practice while cooking or cleaning your room. What seems like a small effort today will slowly grow into a stronger skill tomorrow. Thank you for staying with me. Take care of yourself, and I will meet you again in the next session.